Hi. Hi, this is the Songbird Reborn. And this is part 2 of how to make my pants fit if they're too small. And as you can see, I opened up both sides, turned them inside out first, and I used the pens to pin it down. I used a piece of material from an old skirt that I have that I never really wore, but I bought it and it didn't fit right, so I just kept it. This is stretchable material. This material stretches. I'm going to have to get a phone holder because I can't hold the phone and do what I have to do. Basically, so I opened it up, and as you can see, and I used a tape measure to measure the length and the width of the material. But I finished now. I did both sides, made sure they were both the same length and width. Now I'm going to turn them inside out. Back the right way. And I have to put the phone down because I don't have a phone holder. Hold on. All right. And now, okay, now I turn them back out. All right. Now see, this is how much space I added. See how much space I added? Like, I don't know if that's an inch or two. I could measure it. I don't remember. But anyhow, it's 12 inches long. Goes down past the hip and up. I started here. I used this part of the pants, which is above the pocket here, to start, So this is the outside now. I used the material that I wanted. See, it stretches. It stretches. And that's on both sides. As you can see, it stretches. And so all I have to do now is to clean this up right here a little bit. Make it more presentable with my scissors. And or I could just leave it that way no, I think I'll clean that up right there. I see how it's a little jagged there. I know my camera's dark a little bit. The pants are dark, so it's kind of hard to see. So that now I have all this extra space for my hips to fit these pants. And I sewed them backwards using a stitch going backwards this way. Not that way, not forward, but this way, coming backwards, coming backwards, coming backwards. And that I learned from my mom when I was 9, because if you go backwards, the stitch locks itself. It locks and it locks and it locks. If you go forward, then it doesn't lock the stitch. And so that's part 2 of how to make your pants fit when they're too small and you take them back to the store to get a bigger size and they're still too small because they're cut straight and you like the print on the pants, and this matches my pants and it's fine. Peace, love, and light. And thank you for subscribing. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, so that you can receive notifications when I do more sewing videos if you like sewing or cooking or whatever it is that I might be doing. Peace, love, and light.